Hey everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope y'all are all having a fantastic day. I have some unfortunate news to deliver today. One of my three insects has passed away. If you have been following my page, you know that most of my collection is made up of snakes with the exception of my two lizards and my three insects. And the one that did pass away was Mulan, my Orchid Mantis, and it was honestly entirely my fault. So let me tell you what happened. I did my big move. I packed up everything, and I headed out to my new place, which is far out away from my old place. And I was almost here when I got contacted and was told that I had absolutely forgotten my two tarantulas and my orchid mantis because I had set them to the side. I felt I wanted them to be just like close to my feet because they were so small, and I just wanted to be able to just like really know where they were. But by the end of packing everything up, I ended up just leaving without them, and I was supposed to come back and get them, and I had planned to, which in a few days, which was unfortunately not until I came back from my trip, and I did. I returned from my trip after 4 days, and I ended up just coming back from getting them. And the tarantulas, they're fine, but unfortunately, my mantis was laying dead at the bottom of her enclosure, and it's my fault because I it's a rookie mistake, but I am a rookie when it comes to insects. I've got a lot of snakes, and that's all great, but insects are a different thing, and I guess I don't know what happened. I guess I left them there with my tarantulas, and I was just like, it's fine, they'll be fine till I get back. They're pretty hardy creatures, and while the tarantulas they can go 4 or 5 days or whatever without eating. It's fine, and I don't think it was necessarily even starvation that killed Mulan. Because she still had some weight in her butt area. I can't do terms right now, but um, so I don't think it was starvation, but like it could have been anything from lack of humidity because it was really dry in there. I didn't give clear instructions on that, and that's my fault. I should not have left them with somebody who didn't know what they were doing without these instructions. And so she probably got dried out. They're she probably got too heated because I think they kept her near the a reptile light, or she could have gotten too cold in the night because it does get cold at night there, and any of those things could have happened. Either way, I left her in the care of people who didn't know what was necessary to care for her. And I didn't give clear instructions, and I overestimated her stability. I assumed that she would be as hardy as my two tarantulas, and they're not. They're not the same species, and that was a mistake on my end. I don't even know what was going through my head. I don't know why. I just thought it would be okay, and so this is my mistake. I've had her for about 4 months. I had potentially 4 to 5, 6 months more with her before she had died of natural causes, but that got cut short. So that is some unfortunate news, and I'm really sad to tell everybody that because I hate losing an animal, and it's always a sad day when it happens. I've not lost many in my life, but the few that I have, it sucks. In the whole lifetime, I've probably lost about 5 animals, and it blows every time it happens. So, you know, rookie mistake, and maybe I'll get another chance. I've never even thought I would own a mantis. That was another one of those um, uh, slightly educated. It was a little bit more. It was a bit less educated of an impulse buy, but overall, her care was fine. I had no problem taking care of her. It was easy. I just made the mistake of leaving her without clear instructions to people who did not know how to take care of her, and that was my bad. And I overestimated how just how strong she was and how much she could actually tolerate. And that's my bad, and it sucks, and I have to own up to that. But yeah, that's that news. But the two tarantulas are all good. Yzma, my pink toe tarantula, actually molted while I was away, and Crunk did some serious burrowing in his enclosure. I don't even think I can't. I know I can't. I'm not even going to try. I was just about to try to grab the camera and see if I can get a good angle, and see if I can see it. But you know what? Why not? I'm going to try it. Alright, so here is Crunk's enclosure. And now, this is the top. This is where, like, right here. Right here is the top. This is where the entrance to the burrow is. And if I can get just to get that glare out of the way there, you can kind of see where it comes all the way down here. But then it wraps around all the way here. Like the glare is there, and you can't see as well as I can, but you can clearly see in through here where he has cleared it all out, and then stops like right about here. And that was definitely not like that when I first left. So he did some serious excavating, and I first came in and it was just like a whole serious pile on top. I kind of smushed it all down. So uh, he did some serious work here. But so yeah, he's obviously alive and well and doing good, and so I'm really happy about that. So turn that back this way a little bit. So I just want to update you guys on what was happening with that. Yeah, so Mulan has passed away. Yzma and Crunk are still really good and healthy. Yzma gave me a molt, which I'll try to take a picture of and put right here. Looks good, looks good. I still don't know necessarily. I can't see what gender she is. Like, or really, I keep saying I just go with she because I'm never planning on breeding them. But I've often wondered what gender she actually was. But I don't know. Her her like molts always kind of come out a little ripped, so I can't really look at what it is that the Google is telling me to look for when it comes to that. And maybe it's because she's also still very small, and I'm just not going to be able to see that for some time. But she's doing good. Everybody is good. Uh, so happy Sunday to you all. Bittersweet news. Two tarantulas are alive, but one praying mantis has passed away. So rest in peace to Mulan. And I'm going to get out of here. It's just about dinner time. So I will see you guys later. Have a good Sunday. Love yourselves. Love your family. Love your reptiles. And keep spreading those herds.